Hola subbies and newcomers, which I'm sure returning to subbies after this amazing video. Well, I'm Shante from CHIME, and on this channel, we like to say we're always doing things here. Now, if you guys haven't seen my last video of me talking about the first place I stayed at on the first half of my Aruba trip, definitely go ahead and check out that video and then come back over here and watch this one. Now, on the second half of my trip to Aruba, I actually stayed at this hotel. This wasn't my original location. I was actually going to stay at somewhere that was a little bit more fancier because it was my birthday the last 4 days. And let's just say, because of one incident, a lot of things went wrong on this trip, which apparently keeps happening to me no matter how prepared I am on all my trips. And if I haven't made a video already, I'm going to make a video explaining everything that went wrong in Aruba, so please keep out for that title. That's probably what I'm going to name it. But anyway, I stayed at this place. It was at the last minute. I honestly booked this hotel at it was like 11:30 p.m. at night, and I had a complete stranger help me, which I know, stranger danger, Shante. Y'all seen my other video, how I got trapped in Dubai, missed my flight, I had no money, no food or water. You will understand that I should have learned my lesson the first time, where I was basically almost snatched up by a stranger or possibly beaten up and left there. But anyway, this person turned out to be a decent person. He was cool, all that. So, and technically he was someone who was part of my tour, so like still a stranger, but like, okay. Well, anyway, to make a long story short, I'm showing you the hotel I booked at the last second. And it actually turned out to be pretty nice. It actually wasn't bad. Decent reviews on it. But again, it was 11:30 at night. I was tired. And like I said, I'll explain how everything led up to that moment. And yeah, check it out. Don't look back. I want to show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. So guys, welcome to the Perle Dior. This was my emergency booking that I booked because, long story, I'll do a separate video. But this is the entrance. This is the big parking lot. It's actually surprisingly pretty big. This is the dining room area. Everything is very nicely decorated. Actually, it's cute. Again, not a lot of bugs, just like my other Aruba house tour. Oh, and you get free breakfast from some choices. Of course, you can pay for a better breakfast and more things. It actually is pretty decent. I got sausage and I got meat and eggs and toast. They also got like fruit and orange juice and water and things like that. Yeah, so they really hook us up at Perle Dior. They hook us up. They have a little TV here. I didn't really watch anything though, but yeah, it's actually really nice. It's pretty big, nice big pool. I believe super late at night, like maybe after 12 or 1, you can't be in it. So I was actually in it at night at some point. It actually goes, I think, up to 6 feet. Don't quote me on that. I don't 100% remember. I went a while ago. It is very clean. Oh, and they do kind of this like room service type thing, but anywhere you're sitting on the property, so if you're sitting over here, if you're sitting by the pool, you can call them over and they'll just bring you food to wherever you're at. And it's actually really nice because I was at the pool maybe like 6 p.m. 7 p.m. so I was super tired, so I didn't want to really do anything else. And I told them I wanted to get the free meal. I believe you get 1 free meal every night along with the breakfast. Or maybe that was just a special when I went there. Or maybe it was a birthday meal. I forget. But yeah, they gave me it was like 2 meals I got for free. It was obviously the cheapest thing they offer. But it was still good. And it was small portions, but perfect. My room's actually on the 2nd floor. Oh, and by the way, there are lizards. Not like a lot of lizards, but there are a couple lizards crawling on the walls. Don't worry, none of them went in my room. I saw no bugs whatsoever, so that was very good. I was actually worried that they might get in the rooms, but they don't, surprisingly. So, yeah. That's just the view right over here. Oh, and I kind of forgot to film the room, so I got some pictures though, so you guys will see how good it looks. Yeah. Here we go. well, that's all, folks. Hey guys, I've updated my Patreon to show some new goals that I have for both my YouTube channels. On my main channel, Shantedidathing, since it is all about traveling and making money, I'm going to start using those funds so that I can send one of you guys to somewhere cool in the entire world. All expenses paid. And for my commentary channel, Shantedidathing, I want you guys to start telling me what type of videos you want me to review, talk about, or react to. So head on down to patreon.com/shantedidathing and let's build up the patronage. Alright, well that's the end of the video. So make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below what you thought of this one. So we got a video right over here, pretty cute and funny. We got another video right over here, also cute and funny. And yes, I am the lead star and role in both videos. So you get to see more of me. Click the link.